Right, great job getting through all of those tasks. Today, we're going to create a warehouse for the first time. We're going to head on over to the stock location. Stock locations are identified by warehouses and trucks. In this video, we're going to create our first warehouse together. So I'm going to click on Add Warehouse. And here we have the option to create a warehouse for a truck. I'm going to name my warehouse, give it an address, and click Add Warehouse. This is going to create a brand new warehouse that's active within our Warehouses tab. Now, when I click on this warehouse, I'm not going to have any materials. And so your next task is going to be going over to the catalog, selecting the items that you want to seed the warehouse with, clicking Add Location, selecting that location. And if you have that information to put in the quantity, you can do so. If not, we're just going to add those materials over. Additionally, if you want to get creative, you can create a warehouse or a truck template, which will allow you to transfer amount of materials that you can maintain over into a warehouse or a truck. So let's go ahead and take a look at those materials that we just transferred over. You can see we have all of those materials, and we need to update the quantity and potentially even add those barcodes. All right, great job on adding your first warehouse. Let's move on to the next task.